Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we shall learn about noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words that is headed by a noun or a pronoun. It includes modifiers. For example, the big blue ball. Here ball is a noun, it is headed here, and big blue is a modifier. A noun phrase has two parts, a noun and any modifier. So, modifiers can be adjectives, articles, prepositional phrases, or also determiners. So, a modifier can come before the noun or after the noun. Let us understand about the modifiers which come before the noun. Modifiers like article, adjective, possessive noun, possessive pronoun, or participles can come before the noun and form a noun phrase. Let us understand some examples given here. The river is deeper after it rains. In the first example, the is the article which has come before a noun river. Second example, an enormous tree stands on the river bank. An is the article, enormous is the adjective, and tree is the noun. So, an enormous adjective and article has come before the noun. The young puppy chased its beautiful short tail. So, the is the article, young is the adjective, puppy is the noun. And chased its beautiful short tail. Beautiful is the adjective, and short is also adjective, tail is the noun. So, here in this example, we can find these adjectives can come twice in a sentence. The kids' toys are in the basket. The kids' toys are the noun and those are of kids. So here possessive noun is mentioned. Max gave a biscuit to your dog. Here Max gave a biscuit to your dog. Your is the possessive pronoun and dog is the noun. It has come before a noun. Participle. Arriving at the store, I found that it was closed. Arriving is a participle and it has come before a noun store. So, like this, modifiers can come before the noun and can form a noun phrase. Determiners can also be the modifiers. They can also come before the noun and form a noun phrase. They clarify the nouns and they can differentiate similar nouns. They answer the questions like which, whose, how many, how much. Example, those people are so friendly. Here those indicates the determiner, people is the noun, and are so friendly becomes the noun phrase. Let us observe the modifiers that come after the noun. Modifiers like prepositional phrases, adjective clauses, participle phrases, infinitives, they come after the noun and form a noun phrase. Let us observe the examples given below. The box in the attic is full of memories. The box is the noun, in the attic is the prepositional phrase, is full of memories is a noun phrase. Next example, the phone was almost out of battery power, blinking in the dark. The phone is a noun and it was almost out of battery power, blinking in the dark. Blinking in the dark is the participle phrase and so it forms a noun phrase. Adjective clause. Students who are intelligent understand adjectives. So students who are intelligent, here who are intelligent is the adjective clause. It is coming after the noun and so it forms a noun phrase. Our decision to close the firm was a difficult one to make. Our decision is the noun and to close is the infinitive, so it is coming after the noun and forming a noun phrase. Let us learn the types of noun phrases. First, noun phrase can be a subject. A subject can be a word or a phrase or a clause that performs an action or it can act upon the verb. Like example, the baby cried. Here the baby is a subject and cried is the action it performed. Next example, if we observe, Dogs and cats make excellent pets. Dogs and cats is a phrase and it is acting as a subject. And third example, if we observe, very few giant pandas remain in the wild. So this sentence is clearly about the small number of wild pandas, and so very few giant pandas is the subject of the sentence. Second, noun phrase can act as a complement. A complement restates or gives more information about a noun. It always follows a state of being. Let us observe the example below. A sailor's best friend is a wide open sea. The noun phrase a wide open sea gives us more information about the sailor's best friend, the sea. Therefore, it acts as a complement to the noun phrase best friend. Third, the noun phrase can act as a direct object. A direct object is the noun or a pronoun that receives the action of a verb. Let us observe the example. Grandma cooked a meal for 10 people, even though there were only 4 of us. Here, the verb in this sentence is cooked, and the object that is being cooked is a meal. And rest of the phrase for 10 people creates a noun phrase that acts as a direct object. I want skateboard. Want is the verb and skateboard is the noun. It forms the noun phrase. Should we buy the yellow house? Buy is the verb and the yellow house becomes the noun phrase, and it is a direct object. Noun phrase can also be an indirect object. Let us observe some examples. Like Trudy gave her hungry crying baby a bottle. The noun phrase answers the question who did Trudy give the bottle to. The phrase her hungry crying baby is the indirect object because it receives the bottle. A bottle is a direct object because it is receiving the action gave. Lisa gave the little boy a candy. The little boy, here it becomes indirect object and a candy is a direct object because it is receiving the action of gave. How to write a noun phrase? Noun phrases can be written by using the determiners and modifiers followed by the noun or pronoun. Sometimes modifiers come after the noun or before the noun. A noun phrase centers on a noun and that noun is described by a modifier, and modifiers come before the noun or after the noun. Nouns are attached to the articles a and the. Let us observe some of the examples given here. The cat. Here the is the article and cat is the noun. Second example, the fluffy long-haired cat. The is the article, fluffy long-haired is an adjective and cat is the noun. The cat on top of the stool is sleeping. The is the article, cat is the noun, top of the stool is prepositional phrase. Most big cats hunt at nights. Most is a determiner and big is the adjective and cat is the noun. So like this, noun phrases can be made by using the determiners before the noun or after the noun. Hope you have understood noun phrase and how a noun phrase can be written by using the modifiers. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and leave your comment in the comment box. Thank you.